Okay, in U-Substitution, what we're looking for is where one part of the integrand is the derivative of the other. Can you see there that the 2x is the derivative of x squared minus 5? That's our clue, and that tells us what to set u. Generally, it's going to be the bracket. So we're going to set u equal to, so du dx is 2x, so we can say that du equals 2x dx. Okay, so 2x dx, and we've got the 2x and the dx. Let's just make that clearer. So our integral becomes x squared minus 5 cubed multiplied by 2x dx. So you can see that very clearly for our substitution. When we substitute, I've got that thing being u, so I've got u cubed, and then I've got this thing being du, which is u to the 4 on 4, and u was x squared minus 5. There we go. U-Substitution. We're looking for the derivative of something in the function. So the derivative of that is that. So set x squared plus 7x minus 2 du dx is 2x plus 7. I'm going to multiply both sides by dx. Just to cut down space. Okay, so my integrand becomes, and don't rush it, happy for you to encourage you to rewrite it so that you can see exactly what those substitutions are. Because as we get a bit harder, it's easier to trip up. So that's going to be the integral of u to the 8 du. U to the 9 on 9. And u is x squared to the 9 on 9 plus my c. They slowly just keep getting harder and harder. So here we go, set. So du dx is 2x. Let's get rid of that dx by multiplying. Here we go. So my u is going to be the x squared minus 7, so it's root u, and that 2x dx is on the top, so that's just du. I'm not going to do that without making that a bit simpler. Okay, so it's going to be the u minus a half plus 1 on a half, and clearly on a half is just going to be 2. So it's going to be 2 root u. What was u? Plus c. Sweet, so that is linear U-Substitution. You need to do some practice before we get onto trigonometry. Let's not do some practice before we get onto trigonometry. 2x and x squared. So set u. This is an easy trig one. x squared. So du dx will be 2x. Let's get that dx over the other side. Okay, so that's going to be the integral of sine x squared multiplied by 2x dx. Okay, integral of sine u du. Yep, that's it. What's the integral of sine u? Cos u. And what's u? So it's minus cos of x squared plus c. Yeah, that's it. There we go. Do some practice before we move on to harder ones, hey? But that looks like